राष्ट्रीय ऊर्जा संरक्षण दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मेरा आप सबको प्यार भरा नमस्कार। साथियों, ऊर्जा संरक्षण दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर कुछ बात करने के लिए आपसे रूबरू हुआ हूँ। साथियों, अभी एक चिंता का विषय है हमारे सामने और वो है हमारी प्रकृति। हमारी प्रकृति का बहुत ही अंधाधुंध दोहन किया जा रहा है और ये प्रकृति का अंधाधुंध दोहन किस शर्त पे हो रहा है? ऊर्जा की शर्त पे हो रहा है। हमारी प्रति व्यक्ति पर कैपिटा इनकम की जरूरत जितनी है उतना हमें पूर्ति नहीं हो पा रही है, इसलिए रोज नए पावर प्लांट्स लग रहे हैं। रोज हमारे नेचर को, हमारे प्रकृति को जो नुकसान पहुंच रहा है उसका कहीं ना कहीं जिम्मेदार हम लोग हैं, क्योंकि हम ऊर्जा का उपयोग नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम ऊर्जा का उपभोग कर रहे हैं। हमारे आसपास में बहुत सारी जगह ऐसी है जहां पे एनर्जी का वेस्टेज होता है, लेकिन हम उसके खिलाफ आवाज नहीं उठाते हैं, क्योंकि हम ये थिंक करते हैं कि ये एनर्जी हमारी नहीं है। देखिए, ये प्रकृति हमारी है, ये धरती हमारी है, ये देश हमारा है, ये राष्ट्र हमारा है, सब कुछ हमारा है। तो कृपया करके हम शिक्षक जो विद्यार्थियों को सही राह दिखाते हैं, विद्यार्थियों के सामने एक मार्ग प्रशस्त करते हैं, तो मेरा आप सब लोगों से एक निवेदन, एक अपील रहेगी कि अपने विद्यार्थियों में वैज्ञानिक भावना का विकास करते हुए रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज, जो ऊर्जा के गैर परंपरागत स्रोत है, जैसे कि बायोमास है, सोलर एनर्जी है, विंड एनर्जी है, ऐसे उपयोगों को प्रेरित करें ताकि वो अपने घरों में, अपने आसपास में भी ऐसे संसाधनों का उपयोग करें जिससे हमारी ऊर्जा की जरूरत है।
Good morning. I am Joyita Mandal of class 7C from school Kendriya Vidyalaya Nasik Road Camp. Today, on the occasion of World Energy Conservation Day, I am going to highlight some points by which we can save some energy in our homes. So first, we can switch off the light and fans by leaving the room. Then we should use energy efficient tube lights and bulb, for example LED. We should avoid opening the fridge door frequently. We should avoid cooking in open pans and use a pressure cooker so that we can save our fuels. And at last, we should use solar panels in our homes. So by implementing these small steps, we can conserve a little amount of energy, which will be beneficial for ourselves as well as for our future. Thank you.
Human beings require energy for making their lives easy and comfortable. So it has created an incessant use of energy and it has created an energy crisis. So what should be the method of preventing the energy crisis? Of course, we should look for some alternative energy sources or use certain energy efficient measures. One such energy efficient measure I would like to explain to you today, and that is energy efficient windows, an effective way of energy conservation. So what are energy efficient windows? Energy efficient windows, they prevent the heat loss. Energy efficient windows are made up of 2 or 3 glass panes instead of a single pane. So this creates an air pocket between the windows and it helps in the thermal isolation. These air pockets are filled with gas like argon or krypton to prevent the heat loss. Also, energy efficient windows have a frame which is made up of a non-insulating material instead of aluminium frames. It uses polyvinyl or the fiberglass or wooden frames so that there is no loss of heat. Also, they can be coated with the low emission coatings. If the low emission coating is done from outside, it prevents the entry of the ultraviolet and infrared rays. So only the sunlight enters into the room and this helps in keeping the room cooler.
As you saw that no one is sitting in the room, but still the lights, the TV, the fan, they are on. If no one is sitting in the room, we should turn this stuff off. This will save our electricity and the bills will also be reduced. The gas is on and it's on full flame. If you want to cook, you can cook the food on low flame also, or otherwise use pressure cooker.
Good morning, students. Today we are celebrating the National Energy Conservation Day. This day is celebrated every year on 14 December. I would like to present before you the importance of celebrating this day. Now in India, the Energy Conservation Act was executed by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that is BEE, in the year 2001. Now this act aims at raising awareness among the general public about the importance of conservation and energy efficiency. Now another objective of this day is to showcase the India's achievement in energy efficiency and conservation to the common people.
Hello, my name is Suraj and today I will tell you about how I conserve energy. So let's talk about it. First, to conserve energy, I use solar panels. Solar panels convert solar energy into electrical energy, which I use in many appliances. And the rest of the energy I store it in inverter battery. As solar energy is a renewable energy, it can make every day and it not affect environment. I switch from CFLs to as LED consumes and glows brighter than CFLs. So I prefer LED. Put off the switch when not in use. I don't use dryer for drying my clothes. I prefer direct sunlight as direct sunlight kills harmful bacteria that are present in our clothes and the clothes dry. Now winter has started and everybody needs heater to keep them warm. But I don't prefer heater. Instead, I prefer woolly clothes to wear us warm as it don't require energy to keep us warm.